Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. But, you can check and watch your moon and rising placements. Kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Libra. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. Libra, please. Libra. We have fertility. It's time to think about family life and children. Don't sacrifice family for career. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe it's high time na magkaroon ng sariling pamilya. Okay? Mind power. Use your intelligence, analyze data, logic, and think rationally. Lead with your mind. Okay? You have a powerful mind, Libra. Lead with your mind. You know what is best for you. Be rational in your thinking. Okay? Fruits of labor. It's time to reap the fruits of your labor and become rich. Wow, rich gain is here. Okay? Become rich, Libra. Yung inyong hard work ay magkakaroon na ng magandang resulta na inyong inaantay. Matagal nang inaantay. Okay? Expect the best, Libra. And prosper. Okay? Let us see kung ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Libra, please. Messages and energies for Libra. Ooh. Okay. New direction. Change of job ba ito? Change of address, Libra. It's time for you to make a change. You have a guiding star. Sinasang-ayunan ka ng panahon. For some of you, you are healing. Change is coming in your life. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip ng mag-aral ng new skills. Okay? To further develop yourself. Na mag-improve pa sa inyong trabaho. Make a wish, Libra. Yeah. You need to take care of yourself, develop yourself, nurture yourself, okay? Yeah. Okay. Kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin ang inyong sarili, kailangan pa i-improve. You will be victorious kanuman yung mga plans ninyo. You will soon get clarity or solution sa inyong mga worry, okay, yung mga challenges or problema ninyo. You will gain clarity on what to do. Yeah, delays are over. Okay? You will find comfort in your family, okay? Wala kang ibang pagkakatiwalaan kundi ang family mo. Okay? For some of you, merong problem when it comes to health, okay? But soon you will over it. Okay. Magkakaroon ng celebration. Yung mga emotional and material needs mo ay mamimit. Okay? You will be able to provide. Yeah. Wow. Wealth. Karangyaan. Kaginhawaan in your family situation. Financially. Okay? Mag-i-improve ang inyong finances. This is a successful time for you, Libra. You've been through a lot. May mga delays before. Yes. You will be recognized, okay? Sa inyong galing, ang galing, sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong ginagawa. You will be successful. Maybe you are, siguro, nasa creative industry kayo. Namamayagpag kayo sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong talent. Okay? Yung ginagawa ninyo or yung trabaho ninyo, yun yung nagbibigay sa inyo ng financial freedom. Okay? You feel victorious, happy, merong contentment. Okay? Trustworthy ang inyong relationship with your partner. Yeah. You've been working too hard. Okay? Merong pagbabago na nangyari sa life ninyo. Okay? Yeah. Blessings, karangyaan, stability and security when it comes to your finances, when it comes to your work. Family, okay? You are secured. Merong stability sa family. Pagkakaunawaan, pagkakaintindihan. Before, medyo you are financially challenged. May mga delays, okay? May mga economic setbacks. Pero na-overcome mo yun, okay? Yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng bagong trabaho. Nagbigay ng stability and security. Magbibigay, okay? You are on the right path. You are on the right direction, Libra. Yeah. For some of you, you are dealing with a boss, okay? Nagsusupport sa inyo. Okay. Meron kayong offer, pero yung offer na yan will entail na marami ka rin gagawin and you need balance and harmony, balance sa work mo, work-life balance, okay? Iniisip mo pa kung tatanggapin mo yung offer na yan. Okay? It seems that you don't want to face it now or parang hindi ka pa makapag-decide. Iniisip mo pa kung paano. Okay? Yeah. Okay. You are in a successful time, Libra. Okay? Merong celebration, okay? Gatherings, family gatherings or meet up with your friends. Merong celebration na mangyayari. But at the same time, you are thinking on something about a direction. You need to decide on something. Meron kang kailangang harapin na decision. Maybe about a proposal. Because someone is expressing his or her feelings. Okay? You're thinking about it. Kasi parang nakafocus ka ngayon sa iyong success, sa work mo, sa career, sa inyong finances. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Kung may kailangan kang pagdesisyonan, Libra, you need to take a step back para makapag-isip ka ng maayos, okay? Merong area in your life na kailangan ng balance. Maybe in your love relationship or romantic relationship, you are juggling things, okay? And you need to decide on something. Yeah. Parang hati ang inyong attention sa ngayon. Okay? This is a joyful time for you, Libra, and it calls for a celebration. Yes. Yeah. Namamayagpag ka ngayon sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong endeavor, in your creative project, passion project, nakikilala ka. Okay? But some people are not so happy about it. They are there, pero hindi talaga sila ganun ka nag-enjoy or masaya para sa inyong accomplishment or achievement. Okay? But you don't care. Okay? So, this is good news for you. Maraming blessings ang nangyayari, maraming ganap sa inyo ngayon, Libra. Congratulations. Okay. So, kailangan lang ng order sa inyong life ngayon. Balance and harmony, work-life balance. You need to manage your time. Okay. May kailangan kayong harapin na desisyon, okay, or na issues. Okay, because someone is waiting, because someone is left out in the cold. Alright? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung ibang messages for you. Beware also for some unhealthy habits, okay? For some of you, you are overly focused on material things or success, okay? Be aware of that. Any more message, please? Okay. Other messages for Libra. Libra. Fair woman, dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. Okay. There are some concern with that fair woman. Okay. Or issues. June. Maybe this month of June is a successful month for you. Okay? Important things nangyari itong buwan ng June. Memorable para sa inyo. Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. Okay, for some of you, you're taking a chance. Just take a calculated risk. Okay. Yoke, feeling tied down or frustrated. Okay, that is for some of you. Merong energy na ganyan. You are frustrated in some areas, okay? Or a certain area in your life, you are frustrated. Feeling mo parang hindi ka makagawa ng decision na iyo. You are feeling tied down. Wala kang magawa. Egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. Okay. Owl or owl, whatever. Good advice from a wise person. Okay, maybe you need some advice from someone who is more experienced, okay, than you, before you move forward or do things or take risky things. Okay, you need advice from a wise person. Okay, so that is the message for you, Libra. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.